All right, what's going on, family? I'm back with another video. I'm bringing you another one. So I got my uncle with me today. Introduce yourself.
My name Jasper.
You know what I'm saying? He in the building. So we got his car here. What you driving? What you got?
2015, got a Chevy Impala LT. About to install some fog lights on it and the strip light for the underneath the hood.
So you heard him, man. We got all this wiring to put in. We got some fog lights to put in. We also gonna make it, you know, get a little accent to it, make it look good. So what we gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the camera up here and we'll get started. But what we need to do is get this bumper off so we can get to work. All right, so you already got
The tabs off.
You pretty much got all these clips out of here.
Yeah.
What tool did you use? Okay, you used the pick and the fork.
The fork thing.
All right,
bolts in here.
So we just need to pop the rest of these out right here. The bottle trick. All right, this should come off. We ain't got nothing else connecting it. Is it just a clip?
Yeah. He's right here.
Oh, okay. Show that to the camera. So they got two little plastic clips.
Two little plastic clips right here at the bottom.
All right, so what we got next? We gotta get these.
Check out these, what you call the special screws.
Torx bits.
Torque bits.
Torx bits.
I got a T15 right here to take them out with a drill. And then that is going to go to the bottom of the bumper.
All right.
This one right here too. No, that's for the light.
I think that's for the headlight.
Yeah.
So then after this, we'll do the bottom.
The bottom, yeah, we can probably turn the tires.
Okay. This time we got
keep that as
This
handy.
time we got the magnetic tray.
Yeah, exactly. You want to drop your bolts in the motor.
See, I brought an extra 10, but we haven't busted the 10 out yet.
Should be coming up shortly. Look like weird.
So what y'all don't see is there's 10 mils on the side where Jazz is at over there that we're trying to get to. Matter of fact, I'll just zoom you into it.
Yeah, I should have said Jazz. That's what it is.
This thing is like weird.
Yeah, it's in there now, but. That motherfucker amazing, boy.
You like that trick?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a trick now.
Trick. Damn. The motherfucking magnet put on there. I didn't even think that's what's gonna hold it.
No, it works good.
Especially on the side too.
Just like that. That's it.
On that side.
And then when you don't, because sometimes you don't want these magnetic, you just take it off. And I leave it in my magnetic tray like that.
That shit dope. I ain't never think about that one.
Those are what they call those neodymium magnets. Rare earth magnets is what they're called. And you just stick them to the side of the socket. It turns this whole entire thing into a magnet.
Yeah.
You could even put it down here. Like if you ain't got no space and it'll still work. It'll still grab stuff.
That's dope. Check out the trades around here. Goddamn MacGyvers around here. I know you can cuss on that nut.
Definitely can't.
Okay, my bad. Take that out.
I'll bleep it. I'll bleep it. It's all right. I'll bleep it.
Well, I don't want to call damn a cuss or where we used to say we had to get out of. I said, damn, I ain't say that. I said, damn, I ain't say that. Like the beaver dam.
Like the beaver dam.
Yeah,
not your dam.
Not
that dam.
Yeah.
See you heathen. Blame it on them.
Exactly.
See, you think that's your problem. That's why you need to be here.
Exactly.
So you working with T15 on the sides.
Side fenders on both sides, and then it should just come on off.
So now that 10 mil got us loose right here.
Yeah.
So now we just need to get it disconnected from this part here. So we need to get the splash shield off. Once we get that off, we'll turn the wheel the other way. We'll go to the other side, get that side off. Then it should just be bolts on the bottom, and we'll cut you back on when we get there. Once you get all these off, it's a 7.
Yeah.
So there's a 7 in there.
I'm about to say, you got another boot that I don't have?
Where's it at? There it is.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I just put it there.
It's a lot of them, so
yeah.
you got plenty to see. All these on the bottom are all 7 mils.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh. No. And there's like a million of them, so have fun. Get you electric one of these.
We're holding it over here.
All right, so we got all the 8s off around the bottom, or we think so.
Hope so. We'll see in a minute.
We got 8s all over the sides.
Yep.
Torx, the T15s on the sides, on the splash guard. Then we got the 10 that comes up here.
In front. Then all these.
Torx up top. I mean, this thing is on.
Yeah, they making sure it don't go nowhere.
All right, let's see what we got. I'm loose over here.
I'm loose as hell.
This was not necessary.
Smash.
Now this is the part where the bumper comes off.
There you go. Second time the charm. Go.
Yep, and then one power clip right here. Pull out on this red part here. Of course, it ain't gonna be that easy.
Never that easy. So you start pulling it, it locks back up.
Then you gotta push down and then pull back out. We'll get these old pieces off. I'll show you the other view of the bumper. We'll kind of lay something down so it don't scratch anything. And then we'll show you how to actually get these guys on now. All right, so we got a black trash bag. Jazz over there getting the tool to get these removed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push these little tabs in. We're gonna push the old trim out. We'll push the new one in, and then we'll mount the lights up to it. Now with the original bumper, we have the mounting holes here for the new lights. So that's why you gotta take the bumper off, because you gotta be able to
Get to the
screw
light.
your new lights in.
Exactly.
So let's get these popped out. So we got the old ones out. It's simple as push on them tabs and push on it. It'll just slide out. You got a new one in your hand.
New one that's going on there. Hopefully the lights work. Oh, going back to Amazon.
Going back to Amazon. How much did you spend on this?
I think it was like 60 for them.
So 60 for them plus the wiring kit.
Yeah, ain't too bad.
So after we put these in, you could actually give like a good recommendation. So we got 4 of these, 2 for each side. They're gonna go on these.
So I got a groove on them.
Yep, the ones with the grooves on them. It's a great kit for it to come with all this. Once we got those in,
Okay.
our light goes back in. We find our screws that match up with these, and then we'll put those
Put
in.
it over there.
Cause we weren't here to show them the painting of the grill. That wasn't really part of this.
Yeah, we missed all that.
That wasn't part of the video, so that's cool.
Yeah.
All right, so basically what we got now, kind of walk them through what everything we did as far as wiring.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
Dang. Okay, what
He's
we
like,
did,
fuck.
what we did, we wired up, right here, the hood lights, we wired it, split it in half, wired up, got one to the top, one on the bottom right here, and put the fuses on the side, and the relay switch right here. So then took the one fuse, put it back here on the back of the battery, and that's really about it.
Yep, so basically, like he said, we ran power and ground for this. These are for the lights that are gonna go in here. You'll see those real soon. This is the wiring harness for the fog lights right here. That's all taped up behind the bash bar, so you see we got them tested. Then, so that's what he did over there. Over here, what I did was, actually he did the ground too. I forgot about that.
About the ground on that side.
He ran the ground, so this is paint, so you can't really tell, but he ran the ground, and then I did I just did a simple T-tap on the power on the headlight for the activation for the relay that he's got on that side. So that harness goes all the way across up to here, back on this side. So that's the ground for the grill lights.
Yep.
Another T-tap on the activation wire on the relay.
Which goes to the battery.
Yep, and then we got our fuse. So everything's fused. Everything will be safe. He ain't gonna burn his car down.
That part.
that part. And then we ran the main power all the way back to the fuse panel. This was open, so we're not tapping on anything extra. All we did was just add a bolt and then add our wire off of that one. And then we put a wire loom. So everything looks nice and neat. Everything
try to hide everything.
Everything is clean. Everything is good. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. We're gonna put the bumper back on. We're gonna tighten everything up, because we already showed you how to take it off. We're gonna tighten everything up, and then we're just gonna show you the final results and get you out of here. Hey family, so this is what we got, man. We got it all put back together. How's it look? What you think?
Looks good right now. I can't wait to turn on and drive home. Now it's dark outside.
Now that it's dark outside? Was it more than he thought?
Definitely more than thought.
But it wasn't like the install was hard. It was like,
Just
if you don't notice, we painted
the grill,
the grill,
bottom part of the grill,
painted the bottom part of the grill.
Put it back together because it wasn't in there in the first place.
Yeah, it wasn't even in right.
When it came with a dealership.
So we had to fix that. We did a lot of gluing and fixing.
Exactly.
customizing. We customized the electrical.
Yeah. Shit, damn that welding around here.
Microchip. We took microchips out.
Microchip too, yeah.
Microchips out. So this is what we got. We haven't turned it on yet. I told him to wait.
Yeah.
So
Well, we see the same
what you
all
think?
together.
What do you think?
Hey, I feel like it's gonna work.
All right, cut it on. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. He gonna cut it on. Oh, that was nasty. Now hold on here. You hold the mic. I'm gonna cut it off and turn it back on.
Okay. I gotta see the full effect of it. But that go hard right there. I like that. What y'all think, fam? What it looking like? 1 to 10. Go ahead and rate it for me. Yeah, it'll be a little minute.
Hit him with, give us an outro, man. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe.
He got a
you
channel.
know, I'm working on it right now. We're trying to get it right, but right now, I'm linking me in, and y'all gonna know me. Trust me. But like I say, definitely gonna see the car some more.
We're gonna do headlights, aren't we?
Yes, sir. Changing these out, putting a little kickbacks on it right here. So when the turret header come on, it bounces back and forth. So that's pretty much about it for what I'm gonna do for her. Yeah, that's about it.
But we'll see him again on the channel. So hey, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
We out.